gosh.
You put it on, you want.
That's some good cabin pressure right there, right on the body. I really appreciate that.
Oh yeah, man.
Woo. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Right here?
Yeah, no, I mean when you get in, see how far that door comes in?
Oh, wow, okay. That's some fab work right there. Nice. Nice. Oh, wow.
You been doing all right?
Yeah, man, I'm loving it. Whoa, this is crazy.
Loving the married life?
It's definitely a blessing.
Good.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Wow. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick for the video?
Shannon Gibson, you know exactly who I am.
Yeah.
Shannon Gibson. Got 9 XT315 crossfires, 2 400 amp McMahons, 576 iron of lithium, 3 powers, 13.5 Ks.
Yep. Wow. And what is this ratio-wise for the 6th order? What are you doing? Like 1.2 to 1 or?
This is 2.5 to 1.
Okay.
Well, 2.5 to 1.3 to be exact.
Okay. Got it.
It's tuned at 23.
Yep.
And this is tuned at 56.
Okay. Nice. Wow. And how do you like these versus 4th orders? Because you've done both.
Yeah, it's my first 6th order I've had myself, and
yeah.
You know, I like them both. Everybody, they got their place, you know.
Yeah.
Overall loudness, I would lean toward my 4th.
Yeah.
But as far as just playability and demoing, like
yeah.
I like to do, 6th order.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yeah.
That's
fun.
awesome.
It's fun.
Look up.
Outside, it's all broken.
Oh, it's all broken.
Can I see?
Yep. Can I see the amp rack?
Yeah.
Wow.
Check it out.
Woo. Nice.
I still got to do a beauty panel to hide everything.
Yeah. So are these, what are you wired impedance wise on them?
Half ohm each one.
Okay.
They're half ohm models.
Okay.
The powers come in a half ohm model.
Yep. Very nice.
And I needed something to run there, and so far these have done me great.
Yeah.
I changed out from the XS 16Ks. Couldn't really keep those running, so
yeah.
So far these have been good to me.
Very nice. Technology's improved.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Man, oh man, I got an exciting bass demo today. This is an insane system. Definitely in the 160 dB plus range from Shannon Gibson. Also, if you didn't see earlier, his mirror is broke. When you see a mirror broke like that, you know it means business. So stay tuned. This is going to be a crazy demo. So a couple things real quick. This is a 9 sub variation, so 9 15-inch subwoofers he made fit in this 6th order. Really good job. Shout out to you, Shannon Gibson, and your enclosures are a really good job. Really nice work. Solid bracing as well. I mean, when I was recording, the only thing moving was me and his dash. So everybody be sure to comment and let him know what you think about his system, but you got to watch demo first and see how crazy loud it is. Really excited to see how crazy it is. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in North Carolina, Fayetteville area in 2021 last year. Actually going to the show this year as well. I'm planning on it in November. So looking forward to seeing some of y'all there as well. So looking at the back one more time, these are 13.5K amplifiers. That equates to over 40,000 watts to these 9 subs. Really insane amount of power Gibson is running on his system. And all of the lithium is hidden behind the amplifiers. It isn't the prettiest. He said he's still got to add in a nice look to it. He's still work in progress on that. He might have already got it done by now for when this video is live, but that was one thing he wanted to make sure was mentioned when he was recording. So, 2 other things. In the front, having this solid brace as well as the hardwood floor I sat on. You can't see it really much until I record a little more, but it was an insane amount of no flex zone. Literally where it was putting the pressure on me, I was impressed. The windshield didn't break. It was insane, but I'm about to show you all the demo now. I'm going to start talking. Once again, shout out to everybody watching. Good job, Shannon Gibson, with the demo. And let's go ahead and get this crazy bass experience to y'all. Hope you enjoy.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to hear it. Yes, sir. pressure right there, right on the body. I really appreciate that.
Oh yeah, man.
Woo!
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Nothing really moves much here, so
Man, I've done a lot of work
the
stuff.
pressure's going on the body. You did a good job. Wow.
To you, man.
Yes, sir. Good job, man.
Great. I'm glad you liked that.
Woo. Yes, sir. Thank you very much,
Yes,
Shannon.
sir. I'm glad-
That was awesome. Wow. I really appreciate the demo.
Yes,
Man.
sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.